You know what's wild? A 15-year-old sandbox game built with pixels is still more creative and powerful than most of the modern AAA title games. And before you roast me in the comments, hear me out, because by the end of this video, you will realize that Minecraft might just be the greatest game ever made. And trust me, the third reason, not even GTA 6 can touch that one. Minecraft isn't a game, it's a sandbox of imagination. Think about it. Every time you loads a new world, it's infinite. No two seeds ever generates the same world. You can spawn in deserts, snow biomes, hills, floating islands, or ride just inside a creeper family. But what truly makes Minecraft special is that it doesn't tell you what to do. There's no main quest. You can choose your own adventure, build a castle, survive 100 days, or just trap your friend in a dirt house. Then there's multiplayer too. You can literally create your own servers, set custom rules, and make a mini world government. Some players build entire cities with the police systems, elections, and even taxes, and which honestly feels a bit too real.
Here's the thing, people call Minecraft blocky or ugly, but what if I told you you can make it more realistic than GTA 6? Mods are like superpowers for Minecraft. You can change graphics, physics, creature, literally everything. Want shader to make sunset look cinematic? Done. Want to add guns, cars or Pokemon? Easy. Want to play with rules like kill to steal health? Then try lifesteal mode. Or you can become a vampire, build nuclear bombs, or survive a zombie apocalypse. And yes, there's even a mode that adds a girlfriend in Minecraft called Jenny mode. But let's pretend we didn't mention that. Reason number 3. Redstone. Now here's Minecraft leaves every other game in dust. When developers added Redstone to Minecraft, they thought they were just giving a basic circuitry system to open doors or light lamps in Minecraft. But players looked at it and said, let's build a freaking computer with that. Because Redstone runs on the same logic as real world computers, binary numbers, ones and zeros. When a redstone glows, that's a 1, and when it's off, that's a 0. It's the same stuff your actual PC runs on. People have built working calculators inside Minecraft that can add, subtract or multiply. A YouTuber named Captain Spark made a redstone phone that can browse internet, open YouTube or even can video call to real life phones from Minecraft. And a YouTuber named Samuri built a 8-bit computer that can literally run Minecraft inside Minecraft. And recently he posted a video in which he recreated ChatGPT inside Minecraft. That's insane. Think about it, a game running a computer that's running another game, talking to an AI. That's not a game anymore, that's a digital art. And meanwhile, I am still here trying to figure out how a simple redstone door works. So yeah, Minecraft isn't just a surviving game anymore. It's rewriting what gaming can be. It's infinite, modable, and it teaches actual logic and creativity. And that's why even in 2025, Minecraft still wears the crown as the greatest game ever made. And now tell me in the comments, what's the craziest thing you have ever seen to someone build in Minecraft? Because honestly, this community might be the most creative force on internet. And if you love stories about legendary creators, check out my new documentary on iShowSpeed. It's already on the channel and it's wild.